Hey guys, welcome to our mini vlog. For today's episode, we decided to go on a little picnic. But before heading there, we stopped to grab some food. Burger King for me and salad for my husband because he loves salad so much. And here we are entering Burger King. After that, we hop back into the car, turn on our playlist, and just vibe to our favorite songs. Now, we finally arrived at our picnic spot. It's such a simple plan, but sometimes simple moments are the best ones. Feet check, guys! While we're eating here, I just want to say how lucky I am to find my everything, the love of my life. It's so worth it to make sacrifices when it's for the right person. I love you, my husband, and I promise to always do my best to be the best wife for you.
Come on, we can do it all night long. Bounce, bounce. Come on, baby, just bounce, bounce. More water merry-go-round. Me and you do it 一晩中体を任せ踊るこのダンストゥーン流れのままに Come on, shake your body 甘い恋に落ちてく二人ゆらり舞う君眺め肩並べ My baby 一人だけ Hey 一つだけの愛 Got your back go live たまにすれ違う But you know it's alright Come on stay with me Come on ride with me It's all about you and me Let me just touch So baby just hush
Here we are at Safranpark, so beautiful and refreshing. Anyway guys, that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to tap the heart and follow us for more videos. Bye!